Order for me ma kwaba edeba Adom TV. Jumedi a wohwewe eye Nkuranhyensem jumedi. Na me amedi jumedi ho chia me edi amye so ene Apostle Dr. Nite Kotego. Meda asese ode we fidie atoa. Ene asema mede nam no atifi sem ne say what controls you? Ede na ehye so. Ede na ugina so ede fatimu po. Ede na ugina so ede ye nneoma awoyo. Nia ehye so no ebe kire bebe abefa. Me yak abrante akwada ketekete na mama kire me say e ya hya wo so. So asem no ka no. O say e ya hya wo so. Am say mama tere bia anya mia o. Ebia na namfo ye bi. Ebia na amanfo fa benkum. Me nkwa me kofa nifa ye sese be me yakwasea. Dodo na dia dodo na ye na makoye bi me ya dan hyɛ so hyɛ ho so sua sɛ obɛhyɛ ho so safu tura ma me de ma me na eboam yie ahohyɛ so na to da bia me sɛ de na hyɛ wo so. Many people spend their life focusing on what they have gone through or what may happen to them, and they live at the mercy of the control of their circumstances. Bebre na wana braba wo boy nyoma ehye won so eye ne atwa mu dada ani empo de beba enya mmaye na wo bu hu konta na wo di yawo we de ko ye me ye o we de atwa mu me de mentimi o we de mi se we de mi mfa nche no we de fa na wo kya so de mi hu de beba e mawu bebre no na brabo nyoma ehye won so eye ne atwa mu ko ye na da wanim. Therefore they live at the mercy of what happens to them. They live at the mercy of other people, and they are not able to live on their own terms. Dudona na sabe ni awade ye wom de besie ani empo ni obi beka ana obi beyo ana ndi obi nka obi ebeyo no ana ekro na brabo we de me ye wanye maye we de wanye ni senti ha me we de ni senti ha me ni obi yo ana ni obi ka di obi anyo ene ni obi anka no ena ehyo na brabo so eba ne sa brabo wo no wankasa won kura twere dua entwere wa brabo mu nsem asa wa brabo akoshe nioma esisi brabo mu nioma eba besie ene nioma ankrofo eyo na manfo ka. But my brother, my sister, if you want to enjoy a great life, if you want to have a very happy life, you need to be careful not to be controlled by these five things. Mikobodi. So pesa brabo eye yi na edimu. O pesa we ne jepa, ne ma numa mabodi. Ema ebi nhyew enkyere bebe abrabo ebeko. Yedi kan your past. De atwam. Empaninsi yede yo wo no. Sa anya o ya yesa de obi o ampa. Eya o ya no nkyere se obetwadwa asu agina mu se be awa ho twetwede. Aya ya chese se usua de free ne atwa mu num aya se utimi na montuo efree ne atwa mu num na de ode ye wo no pepem se baba we na brante o me ka se ka wo anim mu ase so na wadi nkunim enti de atwa mu no wo ma ne hye wo so ha ekire mekomu a chekire mu to so mienu enkrofo da foforo etemopo ene watemu a wutie o abrabo ho a empo de bubra. When you are controlled by the opinions and judgments of others, you can never have a fulfilling life. Your own limited beliefs that project on yourself. Never how would GD, then so I consider, and some will come with team, and so I begru, and also a show so no abrabo atochia. Number 4, and Kitahudia would not brabum. One year on relationships can also control you to the extent say why have a brabo a bear mobile. A crack na money, so what money, sika. San your men num when I saw Shannon so. Now one ma emubako and chiro and show a braboso. Sika and Kitahudia hodo. And no more can wide process as a some fantasy require. Empo and call for a timopo and one timu and a empo nano. I mean, for the decline. Dachino, nano. Whatever happened, you must let it go. Leave the pain of the past behind so you can face your future with a new set of competency. the twam no ebia na wanhunu no yo ebia na wanhunu no ka ebia nya oyɛ de yɛ wɔ no so nim ne ɔyɔ atwam se wo pɛ akade foforo na bisa ho sɛ de kura me ne de ɛda m'anim no ma den ayɔ na baabi a me nsa si fo biom baabi a me di nkugo me ndi nkugo baabi a me yɛmfom so me nyɛmfom so biom na mo magyina ho ayɛ de ɛsɛfata na mabrabo adim. You see, leave the darkness of your past behind, so it cannot block the light of your bright future. The atwam na kwese sum. So what do we need to the atwam no mu akosi ba bia wan hwemu a ebesi odachi ehan kan. The past could be a dark past. Don't focus on it to blind your future in darkness. Your future can be light. Let the past go. Ma the atwam no enko. Whatever happened may be unjust. Whatever happened may be cruel. Whatever happened may be harsh. Whatever the case, reliving the events will never do you any good. The twam ya. The twam no ensem fata. The twam no ediwani. The twam no kure ama wonsa si fam. The twam na ma wa kachi. Nanso fasodie bi ani ho. Se obebobo hu agina ho atweje asu ekosi se ofa munti. If somebody did you wrong, the only way you can win is if you let it go and move on. So be your bibi enye. So be can bibi enye kire wa de wetima ya ne se jamu na koso ekowanim. So what na what time a unin kunim. If you live in hate, you will never win. If you live in anger and sadness, you can never win the battle of life. If you want to win the battle of life, you must focus on building your future, and you have to start right now. O pese wa brabo, wa wadie, usikasem, wa pop me de ya nya de kire wo nya na ma me ya nya na papa yo ye. Na emom wankasa nea wo kura wo nsem a be yo ne ahese edimu esefata. Oh na no de na de ye wona akwasa ade so na so wo na kura wachi. The past is like a heavy burden. It's like a weight on your back. Drop it so you can be free on the journey of life. Bebre na de ye won ya na kura awraho na kura nto so bag oyawdie ukura bag won sabenkum awraho ukura bi atete ukura bi memfa nche na ukura na mabrabo mu a bag ahodo na so na kura wo na ade bubra bed den na safoforo ba betimi ro nsa so mu sabenkum da so ade foforo mu before da so foforo mu ebi suuti ebi kura wo nan ho na foforo ba obeden e de aka mabrabo ho ade papa wo anim unya nwiwe unim ni abenya enda so e wo ho de ma odaachi simple ware na anko yi ne simple bibi na oyo ya odi nkuguo simple wabrabo na enye yi na mpaba jamu na wonsam he ha na watimi afa foforo e de abubra. Do not let the events of the past which are now gone to ruin your future and your present. Ene ochina emube de papa. This is the day that I have made. Rejoice and be glad in it. Ene day na mayo amawo. Ma ho sepel. Mo ani nji wo mu. Na say onim say ene day eno na bibia anye esiye. Onim say na no de enye koso nanso say ene na mayo amawo. Ma ho sepel na wani nyi wo mu. Che say one sepel no ani anya abrabo hu ano. So ama one sepel no ani anya wadwe kura besi. You see, negative thinking blocks your sense of decision. Negative thinking blocks the hormones. In Shubu Adrian Proso, it's in the coin, say a bekenyao. And unti, Wodachi no, a co. And this Wodachi, a chile, watchina, said the Abeno. Besides, also a chance to make on the same. Now, no, I'm here, a man, ye know, a chance to make on the same, and the same. Now, so Jamua, Unye Bibia, they said, what Jamu Asano Dachi, I may ye dear. Ana me do be sie jamu manenka wate jamu manenka awo jamu manenka enye hwe woni onyame entina